Hi there! Do you need to quickly analyze a website? In SEOZoom, there is the perfect tool to get lots of information already organized about each domain. You can analyze any website, whether it is of your own, a client's, or a competitor's. Type the domain you want to analyze in the search bar at the top, making sure to enter it with www or without it, depending on how it is indexed. And in a few seconds, you will get lots of data. The first screen presents a useful overview to immediately give a context to the site under analysis. We have the total number of keywords ranked in the first 5 Google pages and the estimated monthly traffic of the website updated to the last checkpoint. SEOZoom does not indicate the actual site traffic, counted one visit at a time, but an estimate based on the number of keywords placed, their search volume, and the position where your website appears on Google, considering a neutral scan, devoid of floating parameters such as geolocation or previous browsings. This is precisely why we can provide this kind of estimate on any website. Among other information present, traffic value offers an indication of how much you will need to spend on advertising to be able to achieve these organic results with a paid campaign. And lastly, Zoom Authority is a proprietary SEOZoom metric that, with a value ranging from 0 to 100, indicates the authority of a website. This parameter is expressed both at a general level and specifically in its different sectors, with the topical Zoom authority of each one. The graphics of website trend and keyword trend show how the site is doing over time. Here, you can keep an eye on any sudden traffic decline or growth spur, or if the keyword trend is encouraging. And of course, you can supplement your reading of the data with the quarterly indication shown in the table on their left. To then be able to see in detail the keyword distribution across the first 5 Google pages and to see which top keywords are helping to bring in more traffic, we can simply scroll down. Here are the most relevant data, where we can find the biggest and most recent changes. The first overview ends with a multi-graph view of top competitors. That is, websites that have many keywords placed in common with the one under analysis. This is why it is so important to keep an eye on these sites. All this key information can be easily downloaded both in a complete quick-coded and auto-generated document ready to be shared with clients or coworkers, and with a handy PDF with just the graphs to which you can add your own considerations. Once you have analyzed the context of the site with these first graphs, you can delve into the Sectors tab, so to study on what keywords and content areas the site under analysis is actually working on. This could be a very useful insight if, for instance, you're performing this analysis on a direct competitor site, since you may find new areas to grow your project as well. Just like we've already seen in the project area, we can then focus on the keyword section, where we can discover all the best ranked keywords on the site, or maybe all the potential keywords that are so close to the top 10, ready for just a little nudge. For each keyword, we have its position on Google, the average monthly volume, the intent of the keyword, and any features present in its SERP. Then, obviously, the associated URL and some proprietary SEOZoom data, such as the keyword difficulty and keyword opportunity, that help you better understand the level of competition and opportunities for that specific term. Moreover, activating the SERP view, you will be able to see the full detail of the SERP being analyzed. You may find out that there are very few results visible before the first scroll. Now, of course, to analyze the keywords is paramount, but we recommend that you continue your analysis by focusing on the main pages of the site. This way, it will be easier not to fossilize on a single keyword, but rather keep into account pages that are relevant for dozens of keywords. With just a few clicks, you will be able to find out which pages are the best on your site or your competitor's site. For each URL, there is the detail of the estimated traffic trend and the mirror dedicated to the keywords the page is currently ranking with. And if you notice a sudden drop or growth and want to know more, always remember to launch a time machine directly on the graph. This way, you will be able to see which keywords experience the variation in that time range. Lastly, look carefully at the SEO analysis. With a real-time check of the relevance of the page associated with the main keyword, you can see if there is any aspect that can be better optimized. If the web page you are analyzing has room for improvement, this is where you should look to discover everything you need to know to make your content stand out. At this point, the website analysis needs an in-depth look at the competitors, and from here, we can compare the trends of the different sites, exactly as we do inside the competitors section of the project area. From estimated traffic to keyword distribution, and then into further details to check what keywords are in common, or the presence of possible content gaps, or what are the keywords on which both sites compete in the top 10. Analyze website groups together a set of easy-to-use tools with lots of data already aggregated. Use it for quick start-in analysis and to create truly comprehensive reports without breaking a sweat. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.